Hello, in today's video I'll tell you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 error 151 unexpected shutdown. Error that states unexpected shutdown occurs if you either lost electricity during the device being powered on, or you unplugged the cable on purpose while the device was powered on. And you should avoid doing so because it won't really break your device immediately once you do it just once, but you just shouldn't repeatedly shut off the power before the device shuts down. So if you'd like to unplug it, or if you have that power outlet that has a switch on it and you want to switch it off, first make sure that the device is fully off. So you will need to press and hold on the selector. It'll say THERMOMIX will shut down, and then wait until the display goes off. Once the display goes off, you'll know that the device is off, and you will be able to continue like unplugging your device and stuff like that. If you have power outage, sometimes it may happen. It's nothing bad, it'll just display the error and you can go through it, but make sure it's just not your habit to unplug it when it's on. Now you can see the screen is off, so I could unplug it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.